I just want to start the video up and show you what's been working for me. So same thing with this, and I'll pause it again until I go through them all. But as you can see, it works pretty good. Just go ahead, go right down the line. You gotta get every single one off. Go back. Some of them are on there pretty good. You gotta really dig the corner in. As you can see. These other ones are pretty awesome. This cable can peel back, so peel it back. It's getting replaced anyways, folks. Don't cut yourself. I'm just gonna take this and one there, another one here. Don't, whatever you do, like I said, don't force it and break it. You can tell as soon as they pop off, and that's it. There's your keyboard. I mean, thankfully, guys, you don't have to do that with the new one. And what you're gonna do, just put the new keyboard on, in place, tape is back. Make sure all your cables are out of the, put the tape on, and I mean from here, guys, all you gotta do is reverse your steps, you know, and you'll be good to go. So after you do that piece there, I'm not going to go through the whole process, but I definitely will go as far as I can with you guys. So you're going to fish the this cable up through here. Like that. What I'm doing is I'm just folding down this cable just like they had it. So I'm pushing it down. That's how the other one was. If you want to do a little crease like that, you can. Slip it through there. Try to put this back together. And the cool, like I said, this, so make sure this tab goes underneath this hinge over here. Might be best just to lift this hinge up a little, like that. Fish that under. Fish that one under there. There's a little tab on that side. You probably can't see it. Cables. Now that's cool. Like right there. That's underneath. This is underneath our hinge there. Underneath our hinge there. Then you can just push this down. If you want, you can put these 2 screws in it to kind of just hold it down as you reassemble everything. You don't have to continue watching. Like I said, I'm gonna go a little further. Probably gonna take a break here at some point. There's 2 arrows, so follow the arrows. My bad, that one goes here. One screw here. Goes there. So that goes there. Pretty good. We can put our cables through here again, but I gotta go back and let's see, cables will go like that, like this. Bring those up a little. Little channels here for the cables to go through. Come on, that's in. That's in, and you can just push those back down just to hold them in place. That's in there. That's there, that goes there. And that goes like that. Cable's going that side, so if you want, put this back on. At least this can hold your, this will help hold the metal frame in place now. Oops, sorry, it slides under, so it slides under like this. Like that. Those are here, 4 silver screws. Like I said, kept them all in the same place. This has built-in memory, so there's no memory chips to replace if they go bad. Right, so that goes there, that holds, so that'll hold the front end. We got the hinges in the back, the plate on to hold that down. And we'll just, like I said, I'm gonna pause it, take a break, but I think you guys are good to go from here on. Just reverse the steps that you took putting it together. That I'm going to do the same exact thing. You know, you could, this would, if you wanted to put this in next, you can, and just keep going forth, folks. I'm gonna pause it. I will start up again. If you guys want to continue watching, you can. Stand by.